The Tumour Microenvironment, a city gone rogue. Imagine a city that turns against itself. Where factories overproduce, guards defect to the enemy. And the power grid fuels chaos instead of order. That city exists inside your body. It's called the Tumour Microenvironment. A microscopic metropolis gone rogue. This hidden world dictates survival. Every component plays a critical, often adversarial, role. The tumor doesn't fight alone. It builds a fortress supported by corrupted allies. Understanding this rogue city is the first step to reclaiming control. Join us next time as we decode its infrastructure.